Hi everyone, it's Mirka from Beauty by Mirka and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to be talking about T-bar. There are quite few lash artists that try to create a Russian volume fan, and instead of pointy base in their fan, they create quite squarey looking base. So it's really important that you try to create that pointy base to see beautiful set of the Russian volume lashes. So how can you avoid doing the T-bar? I'm going to show you 4 different ways how you can avoid doing it or how you can fix it. So the first way of trying to avoid that T-bar is to work with the correct thickness of the natural lashes. So when you try to create mega volume lashes, we're talking about 9 or more lashes stacked together in one fan. So that means if you work with quite thick lashes, that means your base will be quite squarey looking. So if you are trying to create mega volume, please try to work with really thin lashes, which means 0.03. However, if you try to create only 2D, 3D or 4D, you can be working with 0.07. So here is an example what kind of thickness you can be using in your each individual fan. So if you follow that, you would definitely avoid making T-bars. However, if you still created a T-bar, there are quite a few different ways how you can fix it, and here they are.
Now, the first way to avoid your T-bar would be using the correct thickness of the individual lash. The second way of how to correct it would be on this video. So as you can see, we've got T-bar there, and all you have to do is just to flick the base of your fan, and like this you can see beautiful pointy base. Third way to correct the T-bar would be using the glue holder, as you can see on this video. And the last way of how to correct your T-bar would be pinching method. So you just place your base in between your fingers and you gently squeeze it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and remember to subscribe. Thank you, bye!